Good morning. Monday, December 19th today. Started off minus 25. It's 9:30. A little bit later start than we had hoped for. We were hoping for 9. But when we came out, the vehicle started, which was one hurdle. But then the van's tire pressures were really low. It's just not holding pressure very well in the cold. So we tried to use the gas station's pump. And that didn't work. It just wasn't working in the cold. And then we tried our pump, and that wasn't working. It just wasn't getting pressure into the tires. So we found a good old Cal tire locally here in Moose Jaw, and thankfully they came to the rescue. Whoop whoop, love Cal Tire. Just kind of confirms why we decided to stay in a little bit bigger towns, because they usually have these sorts of things like Cal Tires and such. So that was a little stressful. It's hard just doing anything in minus 25. As soon as you take your glove off, your hand is like screaming for mercy. So, but we're on the road, and we're off to Brandon, Manitoba today. So another new province. We don't lose an hour today, which is nice. We do tomorrow. About 430 kilometers today. So a little less than yesterday. Oh, I'm kind of cold. Okay, so I'm going to try and stop shivering. Try and warm up. Put some kilometers down, maybe put 100 in before we stop again and get everything really warm. Alright, here we come, Manitoba. Yoop yoop. See you later, Moose Jaw. See you later, Saskatchewan. Make a bad time today, considering we had a bit of a late start with the tire pressure situation. So yeah, just had some peanuts, some coffee. Should be enough to get me through to Brandon, Manitoba. Whoop, whoop. So far coming into Manitoba, they seem like they're very safety conscious. Lots of different signs for all the safety styles. So, safety first here. Warmed up today. We've got to a high of minus 21. Started at minus 25, so you know, it's yeah, warming up for the day. Not quite as warm as yesterday. We got up to a high of minus 19 yesterday, so that was pretty nice. And then I think tonight is our last big super cold night, and it's going to be super cold, like perhaps minus 30-ish. So shit, another one of those nail-biting mornings to know if the vehicles are going to start. Because you almost almost didn't start today. I gave him the 1, 2, 3, and he just started. So guess we'll get there tomorrow morning when we get there. Hope for the best. Right now, just gotta get to our destination.